All right, everybody, we are in our diamond and gemstone section of the booth, and this year we're telling a little bit of a story with our Canadamark Diamonds. Heather, tell us a little bit about this display.
Okay, so what you see here, we have our Canadamark Diamonds basically telling the journey of the diamond from rough to polish. So as you can see, we've got 3 different pieces of rough that are all from Canadamark. These are diamonds that are in the middle of the manufacturing process. And then you can see the end result here. We have our large Canadamark diamonds, which come with grading reports. And then we have our Melly Canadamark diamonds as well, which are also traced from rough to polish, just traced in batches rather than individually, like our large diamonds.
And why are you guys kind of displaying this at the show this year?
Well, we feel like it's really important. Customers are now asking where their diamonds are coming from, and we feel like Canadamark gives those customers that answer. So it really traces the diamonds, like I said, from rough all the way to polish. So it gives that customer security in knowing what they're purchasing.
All right, well, if you want to come check out this display, it's in our diamond and gemstone section of the booth, right smack in the middle. So come and check it out.